Okay, so let me say the person. Welcome to all of you following this live broadcast. This is Blaze Online Television coming to you live from the Worldwide Community here in Paynesville, where we receive information about fire incident, and so we have made our way here in the Worldwide Community in Paynesville, where a two-bedroom house has gotten fired here in the Worldwide Community, and so we just arrived. It is so good that the Liberia National Fire Service, they are here doing all what they can, as you can see, working for the people. And so they are trying to off the fire. Well, I mean, the house has already got burned, as you can see. Good work from the Liberia National Fire Service Authority. But that's the information. And so we are here after giving you the basic description of what happened here. We'll try to speak with those who have been victimized in the process, and also we'll try to speak with the community chairman. We'll try to speak with the community chairman as well. And so please share this live broadcast and tell us where you are watching us from. My name is Menso Edward Mendy. I'm here also along with Lawrence Kawada from Terra Online Television, a team of journalists. We are here in the Worldwide Community. As you can see, schools of citizens has arrived on the scene here. So, authorities workers of the Liberia National Fire Service Authority are also here.
The community fire service, national fire service.
And so as you can see, some of the citizens, can we move? Some of the citizens are also trying to help in the process. And the fire service workers are trying to identify where smoke is coming from. As you can see, smoke is coming from that area, so water got to go there. So, great job from the Liberia Fire Service Authority here. Good work. This Blaze Online TV. Keep following and tell us where you are watching us from. My name is Menso Edward Mendy. Outbreak of fire incident here. So Okay, so we will try to speak with the chairman of this community. So keep following this live broadcast.
Okay, so you are welcome to this live broadcast here. This is Terra online television, and we have Blaze TV live here. So, later you are the chairman of the community. Kindly tell your name.
My name is Aaron Nguba, chairman of the worldwide community in Paynesville.
Okay.
So, what you think caused the fire? What you think caused the fire, and when the fire started?
Well, I went to work. I work with the John F. Kennedy Medical Center. Okay. I left this morning. Everything is untouched. But while at the hospital, my daughter called me and told me that, oh, Papa, making them house on fire, so I was also is not. So I decided to come. But they did not have current in the house. They don't have current at all. They are lying that the son, the young baby, the one took the magic and carried the man room and decided to put the place on the magic on and the clothes on fire.
Wow.
So, how many bedroom house are we talking about?
We have roughly 2-bedroom house because the room and the hall with 2-bedroom house.
Okay. So I think you know the family. They were how many numbers, or they are how many numbers altogether?
Okay. Roughly they are about 8 in the room, in the house.
Were there any injury in the process, or what?
No, I did not see any injury.
Were there loss of a huge sum of money?
Or
Where
property?
they lost properties. They are not telling me that it was X amount of money we had there. I think you can see the bag of rice. Oh, wow, everything in there, the point and the thing off. They are not telling me how much they lost in the trees.
Okay, since they know you have spoken to them, what's more the thing that they said to you as chairman?
Since I came here now, the husband is not even to work. You know, the work is here, but she eat the stress.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I had time to talk to her, she eat the stress, they cry on me, say, over there.
So, as a chairman, what are you hearing from your community dwellers concerning this issue?
Concerning about the fire issue?
Yeah.
What? Someone called me and said I really put the place on fire because there is no current in the place. She do a pogo, GP in the morning, and put it on her head, she go around with it and say and come back. And the lecturer who can be at the house, they do a lot of things. Last time I saw with fire, I warned him, I told the parent all about it, but it's just a lecture and hard to deal with.
Okay. So, Chairman, what will you have to say to humanitarian goodwill people who are watching?
On the humanitarian organization to please come to the aid. Even the representative, Michael Thomas, who is the District 4 representative, to come to the aid. Even the fire disaster team to please come to the aid to see, because at this time, my resources to keep a family that are outside is very difficult. I'm appealing to them to please come to the aid. You know, community will be trying to do the best while we are waiting for them.
What would be your advice now to community dwellers?
Oh, community, my advice is they should not play with fire, and I even told them I don't want to see and let a candle in any house. Even if you don't do illegal LEC business within this community, that it will cause problem. And I always advise on it.
Okay, so now this are happening. What would be your leadership engagement concerning having a place for residents of this area that already got damaged?
Well, I will try to host some of them, my residents, and thank God my own point. I think you can see the rest of the side of thank God in point. I will try to host some of them, and I will pay other people who are here to host them while we are waiting for at least international people to come in, to come for us to see what we can do for them.
All right, so thanks so much. Thanks for accepting this exclusive interview. We hope to be back and to talk with you after maybe other people have intervened in the process. So your name once again.
My name is Aaron Nguba, chairman of the worldwide community.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, it was
Thank you.
So that was the voice of the community chairman. It's Paynesville.
let a
Okay, so we are still here in the World War community where two bedroom zinc house has gotten with fire here. And as you can see, the Labrador National Fire Service Authority has left already. They did their best, and now we have community dwellers and also people who were victimized. They are currently trying to help in the process to find to see if some of the important things are still there. They are still trying to see if they can get some useful material, if they can get some clothes as well from there. So we are still here. This Blaze on television. Terra on television is also here. My man Lawrence D. Kawada, and together we are having a joint live broadcast, bringing you happiness here in the Paynesville World War community, where two bearing horse has gotten with fire. So please share this live broadcast and tell us where you are watching us from. It's actually a very terrible incident here. Since the start of 2024, we have been observing a serious outbreak of fire in parts of Monrovia and that of Paynesville, which is a major issue. And we hope that the government and also the National Disaster Management do all what they can to help in the process to aid these fire victims here. And so that is it. We are still here.
Since this government, or since we enter 2024, the fire issue or fire incident has been a major concern in Liberia, where on a daily basis fire is cutting down people's houses that they are built over a year and leaving them homeless. So hope the National Fire Disaster Team is monitoring that they will come to the aid of fire victims here in the World War community. So we are still here, Terra Online Television and Blaze TV. My own man Menso Edward Mendy is here streaming a live video of Blaze Communication while here of Terra Online Television at the World War community.
So Lawrence, let me just get your view. It's a zinc run house, a two-bedroom zinc run house. I think the fire, I want to get your view concerning the fire. Do you think it was fast, or was there some delay from the Labrador National Fire Service?
The fire, looking at the structure of the house, is a zinc run house. So if fire is in such a house, you will see that it will come down fast than a concrete house, because the zinc, you have still long, sun has blazed on it, and you have some plank or stick that the build it a long way, it is getting dry, so it will be easy for the fire to bring it down quick than the concrete house. But I don't know how soon they contacted the fire service team that they have to come so late where the horse are getting down by the fire. So I don't know how soon did they contact the National Fire Service, but they came late where the horse are getting down, as you are seeing in the camera here.
Yeah, so we hope to talk with residents. We hope to get the chairman who will have one of the residents of the house, and so we can speak with that person concerning what happened, especially the mother, because they said the fire got on the house when a little boy took matches and placed it on his clothes. So there's no casualty, but we hope to speak with some resident of the house. If there's no way, then we will call it a day. But this is what is happening here in the World War community here in Paynesville, just around the Kingdom Care. That's the Kingdom Care Foundation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's JFK Medical Center, and this is where they bring mentally disarranged people. That will just take the camera there. trying to get a name. So on World War fee, there's a fee, and the school is somewhere at the back there. So there's a community. The fence you see there is where they carry mentally ill people. So we are still here, community dwellers, trying to help see if they can get any material that is still useful to the victims of the area. So the chairman said he will try to accommodate some of those who have been victimized from this fire outbreak. So he said it. His leadership will try to do all what they can. But it's also calling on philanthropists, goodwill librarians, and also the district number 4 representative, Honorable Michael Thomas, to come to the aid of the victim of this area.
So we are still here at the World War community along the Dubo Road Junction, where the fire incident took place here, burning down a 2-bedroom house to ashes. As you are seeing in the camera, community dwellers, they are checking for some important items of fire victims to get it out of the fire. So we will try to speak to at least one person from the fire victims. You can get their view about how it all started. So to hear from them. If not, then we'll call it a day and maybe go to another destination to bring you a live coverage from there. So this is Terra Online Television and Blaze TV Live. We are here at the World War community.
So we are still here. We hope to get more of the residents of this place. Those who are in freedom mask. 1 minute. Yeah, please tell us you won't talk about it. So
Yes, we are making some arrangement to speak to the fire victim.
yeah, we're making some arrangement to speak with the fire victim and see what she will have to say, because she need your help, right?
Yeah.
So and see what she will have to say concerning this. So I've sent someone there to get her on board, so we can hear from her concerning what have happened here on the World War football field in the World War community. I mean, the smoke is still coming out. Smoke is still coming out. We hope to dress back a little bit. Yeah. Oh, yes, we are.
Just to acquaint you, there were no injury, no life lost. Any property got damaged along with the house. So there were no life that got lost in the process. No one was injured. So we are.
So I think we'll have the owner of the house calling
We'll
here.
speak to
Owner of the house already. Yeah. So our man, how you doing? Okay, so welcome. We want to hear from you. We want to hear from you. We talked with the chairman. He said the fire outbreak was because of a little boy who took the matches and decided to lie on the clothes. But we want to hear from you how this all happened.
first tell your name.
Okay. So tell us how this all happened.
Myself, I was sleeping, but I hear the train and say fire, fire. So because I was going on the fire to a place, I just see the labor coming from inside. He was standing there to the door. Now myself, I get things from inside there. I train outside. I had all the leg get to inside there. Myself, I got one. I train outside too. So the big side said I see one from us halfway.
Okay.
Let's see the fire breaking and no way for me to enter in the corner.
So the little boy has been playing with matches before, or he has been putting things on fire before in the house?
No. I'm very nice. Get out my sister. But I'm a can have it. I can have the machine. I put it there. You are putting 20 and put bottle in everything oil. So I'm very nice. Get out.
So how old is the little child?
I'm a fire. Wow. Small label. I'm very new.
Was there any older person around him when you were doing that, or he was alone?
No, I was there. I'm living all 2 years. When you're 3 years, yes. I'm not sure they were inside.
Okay, so this has happened now. So what you have to say to those who are watching to come to your rescue?
I just pray to God, that's when they can help me. They must think that they don't get nowhere to go.
For now, where will you be residing? Where will you stay?
So your husband, where's your husband?
You're calling him in the market. Calling him. Maybe the chairman will arrest. Busy is up.
So how soon are you expecting someone to come to your aid if we want to help you?
Tomorrow, anytime they move, anytime they can help themselves. But nowhere to go. Oh, my God, I'm saying, my home. Before I was going to lay now for me. No way.
Yeah, when you are sleeping, you know, and you just get up.
No way now for me to before I enter in the hall, 5 or 2 when I myself want to enter in the hall, I push all that. I'm on the side with me. No way now.
So, tell us the time. What was the time the fire started? Was it at 9 or 10 o'clock?
No. I just before yesterday, before the started, before I was sleeping. What is time I said?
Okay, when the fire started, you people call a fire service right away?
Chairman.
Okay.
Before the fire service and I did it, watch me and I had me saying that what me bad because the hot food. That all the way on our side. I watch me and watch me and head of the fire. I get a body.
Okay, so thank you for speaking with us. Tell us your name again.
The last name? Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Alright, so that was the voice of the head of the house here, Secretary of Cooper. You have said it all. So
the little boy is 5 years old and playing with matches and let the flame because that's how the fire catch on the house and bring the house down.
so that's it. This is how we would like to come to an end of this live broadcast of fire incident here in the worldwide community. My name is Menso Mendy. This is how we come to the end of this live broadcast. We hope to be back to speak to the chairman after some aid has been provided to victims of this fire incident.